Welcome everyone to this year's 2024 Best Conference. Before I dive in, I want to figure out where everybody is coming from. The acronym BEST stands for Building Employment Skills for Successful Transitions.
I do want to thank you for being here today and for taking advantage of the Best Conference and what it offers. We have an opportunity here in our region to lead, and I'm so pleased that you are part of that leadership. And indeed, it's not too far-fetched to say that your presence here today at the Best Conference and what you learn, how you engage, is about ensuring a future of world peace.
The way personal brand is how you want the world to see you. Because you want all this to represent who you are. Because opportunity sometimes slaps you in the face. I mean, it's right there in front of you.
You have to figure out where those circles are. What do you want? Where do you want to be?
Storytelling, by the way, very important in interviews. You don't want to tell a 20-minute story, but the storytelling element is really important.
You have to be prepared to summarize who you are. The interview, your first 10 minutes is the most critical 10 minutes.
Excited to be here for this panel. I love entrepreneurship. I'm an entrepreneurship at heart. I started my first business when I was 7 years old.
Your experiences is where we become cheerleaders. Your experiences as an international student, your experiences in Nova Scotia are absolutely valuable and absolutely unique to you.
Sometimes it may not be the things that really float your boat and excite you, but you think, yep, that would be really good for me. And so recognizing that it's a good thing for you to do.
Your working experience only starts after you applied for your PGWP, because the moment you applied, the moment you're able to work, then the moment your working experience may start to accumulate.
So everybody, that is it for our program today. But all of you, give yourselves a round of applause.